In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the Shopify Lite buy button to your shop. That way, whenever someone does like a product in your shop and they go to purchase it and click the buy now button, it'll automatically bring them to the checkout. And they can go ahead and purchase and enter in their card information the same way they would if they were doing it in a Shopify store. So the way to do that is if you're on the home screen, in your Showit dashboard, you can scroll all the way down, and right here are where the products are listed for your shop. So for the tutorial, we'll work on product 1 details. So click on product 1 details and then click on product 1 details again on that blue button. It'll open up the canvas for you so that you're able to edit it. Right here, you can see the buy now button. It's simply some text on top of a black rectangle, but we are going to turn it into a button. That way, when someone clicks on it, they're able to check out. So what we're going to do first is get the code for the button, and we simply just need a link. That way we can put it right here in click actions, and that tells the text what to do whenever someone clicks on it. Now, you will need a Shopify Lite account. If you don't know what that is, it's basically $9 a month. It's a bare minimum Shopify account. It does everything that you need it to do in order to host your shop on Showit. This allows you the flexibility to have your shop look however you want, but it gives you the same functionality of a Shopify store. So go to Google, type in a Shopify Lite, and you can go ahead and sign up for it that way. And once you get your first product all situated, right here I have a test product. It says test template 1. And once you have that set up, you can go ahead and up here at the top, it says more actions. You're going to click on that. And this is what's going to give you that link. We don't want to mess with this. This is actually a way to create a button, but because we already have the button created for you, you simply want the link to tell it where to go. So we're going to click on that and you click copy link. Simple as that. You're going to go back to your Showit. And now that we have the buy now text clicked, you're going to go to click actions, and under link, you want to make sure this URL is selected. And in the URL, we're going to paste that link we just copied from Shopify. Awesome. So now that's there. Now you don't just want to do the text. You also want to do the black rectangle behind it, just in case someone doesn't directly click on the text and they kind of click offhand, which can happen when someone is pressing on the button. So we want to tell the rectangle behind it to also go to the checkout link. Okay. So now that that's situated, we're going to go to preview, open up all the way. We're going to exit out of here. And now we actually have to get to the product. So we're going to go to shop, and we did it for product 1. So we're going to click on product 1. And now let's test out this button. We click it and you see it's doing something. Awesome. See, boom, there we go. Now we are at the product checkout. It has right here the product name. It'll have your featured image that you set up inside your Shopify store. It'll have the price that you set up in your Shopify store. And it has all the functionality that you need in order to have checkouts that are secure and smooth and familiar, because a lot of people do already purchase from other businesses that have Shopify stores. So this is a very familiar platform. And once they enter in, they'll be good to go. So we can exit out of there, exit out of here. And it is simply, something that is definitely useful, very easy to do. And you can do it for as many products as you have. But for these purposes, we're only going to do it for the product 1 details, because you can just mimic the entire process, as you wish. So if you have any questions, head over to the Facebook support community and ask for help. I'll be more than happy to assist. Or you can email me at hello@bwpdesignstudio.com, and I will see you in the next video.